Hello Steno candidates, I am Ravina. Welcome to your own YouTube channel Lotus Steno Legal Matters. I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matters. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The present appeal has been filed assailing the order dated 3 February 2006 wide which the Additional District Judge Delhi has dismissed the application filed by the appellant under Order 9 Rule 13 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 seeking setting aside of the ex parte judgment and decree of divorce passed between the parties on 14 May 2003 in HMA number 849/2001 stop. The marriage between the parties was solemnized on 4 May 1998 at village Maliganj, district Madhepura, Bihar, and a girl child was born from the said wedlock on 23 July 1999, who is presently 23 years of age. Disputes and differences arose between the parties which led the respondent husband to file a divorce petition against the appellant on 27 July 2001 in the Court of District Judge Saharsa, Bihar stop. Next para. Subsequently, on an application of withdrawal being filed by the respondent husband, the court at Saharsa returned the divorce petition for being filed in the court of proper jurisdiction stop. Thereafter, the respondent filed a divorce petition in the District Court, Delhi on 15th October 2001 under Section 13 (1) (ia) and (ib) of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 (in short, the Act premised on the ground of cruelty and desertion stop. The summons was issued to the appellant wife, but she refused to accept the same stop based on the report of the process server to the effect that the appellant refused to accept the summons, the appellant wife was proceeded ex parte in the divorce proceedings on 8 April 2003 stop. Eventually, the divorce petition was allowed and an ex parte decree of divorce on the ground of desertion was passed in favor of the respondent husband and against the appellant wife on 14 May 2003 by the Additional District Judge Delhi stop. Next para. After about 18 months, on 25 November 2004, the appellant wife filed an application under Order 9 Rule 13 CPC alleging that the summons issued by the court in the divorce petition was neither tendered to her nor she refused to accept the same stop. It was pleaded by her that the acquired the knowledge of the ex parte divorce decree dated 14 May 2003 only on 30 August 2004 when the copy of said ex parte divorce decree was filed by the respondent husband in her maintenance proceedings pending in the court at Madhepura, Bihar stop. Additionally, it was pleaded by the appellant wife that the respondent husband had earlier filed a divorce case in the court at Saharsa, which was withdrawn by him for being filed in the court at Madhepura in Bihar. Therefore, the divorce petition could not have been filed before the
Next dictation. The appellant who appeared in person has submitted that the respondent husband has not only played a fraud upon the appellant but has also played fraud upon the Honorable Court. She submits that the earlier divorce petition was filed by the respondent before the district judge Saharsa, but the said petition was withdrawn by the respondent, stating that the Sastra district court has no jurisdiction and only the Madhepura district court had jurisdiction, and accordingly such withdrawal was allowed by the district judge Saharsa on 21 August 2001. She contends that the appellant always had an impression that the divorce petition will be filed only in Madhepura court, Bihar, but the respondent committed fraud by filing the divorce petition in the court at Delhi. She further submits that she had no knowledge about the divorce petition pending before the additional district judge Delhi. It is further contended that the appellant was not a party to the anticipatory bail applications filed by the respondent and his family members in complaint case number 577/2001, therefore, knowledge cannot be attributed based on the averments made in the said applications or orders passed therein. She thus prayed for setting aside of the impugned order as well as the judgment and decree of divorce dated 14 May 2003. Next para. Per contra, Mr. Neeraj Sekhar, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent, contends that the service of summons was earlier refused by the appellant and such refusal has been recorded by the postal authorities on the registered cover. Subsequently, the summons was directed to be served through the district judge Madhepura, but the appellant against refused to accept the same. Therefore, a copy of the same was affixed by the process server on a conspicuous part of the appellant's residence. He thus urged that the appellant was duly served. He further contends that in any case the defendant had notice of the date of hearing in the divorce petition. Therefore, the learned additional district judge that has rightly refused to set aside the ex parte decree. To add emphasis to his argument, he invited attention of the court to (i) order dated 25 February 2002, whereby the anticipatory bail application of the family members of the respondent husband was dismissed. Anticipatory bail application number 27/2002
2002 filed by the respondent in complaint case number 577/2001 under section 498A/504/406 IPC stop. Reply filed by the respondent in maintenance case number 27/2001 before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Madhepura and (4) an order dated 16 September 2002 passed by the High Court of Patna in criminal miscellaneous number 12273/2002 on an application for grant of anticipatory bail stop over.